Did you know that even minor adjustments in your building's HVAC setting would dramatically cut energy costs? Let's find out how. Here's a residential building modeled in DesignBuilder software. We wanted to test how slight changes in temperature settings impact overall energy consumption. Using detailed HVAC settings based on real duct split system catalogs, we increased the cooling temperature by just 1 degree from 24 to 25 centigrade and reduced heating by 2 degrees from 22 to 20 centigrade. These minor adjustments led to an impressive 6.1% decrease in total energy consumption. It shows that even the smallest changes can have a significant impact. If you're interested in discovering how small changes can lead to big savings in your buildings, send me a message today.